Make we run a boat now. Alright, you see this is the foreign saltfish. Alright, we put it to boil. We have some flour right here. Now we have flour dumpling. Yeah man, drop everything in a pot. Remember, dumpling take the longest to cook, so you will drop in a pot early. As long as them start float, then them ready. Yeah man, we have a piece of chili and a yellow yam. Alright, now we have the yellow yam peel. We'll drop this in our water now. Yeah man, drop this in our water. So now we have the yellow yam, we have dumpling. We'll mash up the veg now. Alright, for the veg we have some onion, we have tomato, we have pepper, scallion, and we have hot pepper. Veg police don't come after me, them already washed. See it there? The wet. Alright, now that we have the veg cut up, let's fry this up. And the frying pan already have olive oil in it. Alright, let's add in the saltfish. Black pepper. Add some coconut milk. Little bit of water. Little piece of butter. And some all-purpose seasoning.